Gugma, love. Nimo, kanimo, ikaw, tika, ninyo, kaninyo, tamo, kamo. These 8 words were translated as you. Tanan, all. Ako, nako, ko, I'm, me, I. Gihigugma ko kamong tanan. I love you all. Gimingaw, miss. Gimingaw ko nimo, I miss you. Gimingaw ko ninyo, I miss you guys. Gimingaw ko ninyong tanan, I miss you all. Siya, him or her. Gihigugma ko siya, I love him, I love her. Sila, they or them. Gihigugma ko sila, I love them. Sila akong mga higala, sila akong mga amigo, sila akong mga amiga. They are my friends. Kauban, companion. Mga kauban, companions. Siya akong kauban. He or she is my companion. Sila akong mga kauban. They are my companions. Iya or iyaha. His, her, she or he. Iyang kwarta sakto lang. His or her money is enough. Iya kong gihatagag kwarta. He or she gave me money. Kwarta, money. Panahon, time. Iyang gihurot tanan niyang panahon sa pagtrabaho aron makakwarta. He or she spends all her time working to make money. Pahulay, rest. Walay pahulay, no rest. Kalinaw, peace. Walay kalinaw, no peace. Pahulay sa kalinaw, rest in peace. Pagahin og panahon sa pagpahulay, take time to rest. Malinawon, peaceful. Kinabuhi, life. Gusto kong malinawon nga kinabuhi. I want peaceful life. Gusto kong kalinaw. I want peace. Samok, trouble. Dili ko gustog samok. I don't want trouble. Bili, value. bililhon, valuable, ang kinabuhi mas bililhon kaysa kwarta. Life is more valuable than money. Luwas, save, pagluwas sa inyong kinabuhi, pagluwas sa imong kinabuhi, saving your life. Usik, waste, ayaw usiki imong kinabuhi, ayaw usiki inyong kinabuhi. Don't waste your life. Hatag, give, hatagi kog panahon, just give me time. Ayaw usiki akong panahon, don't waste my time. Kinahanglan, need, gikinahanglan ko kamo karong panahona, gikinahanglan tika karong panahona. I need you this time. Gamita imong panahon, use your time. Adto, go. Kinahanglan akong moadto, I need to go. Balay, house or home. Kinahanglan akong moadto sa balay, I need to go home. Panimalay, household. Panahon na para moadto sa balay karon. It's time to go home now. Ayo or naitaw sa balay? Anybody home? Uli sa balay. Come home. Balik. Come back. Balik sa balay. Come back home. Palihog. Please. Palihog uli sa balay. Please come home. Pagtuon, study or learn or learning. Ang pagtuon sa Cebuanong sinultihan hilabihan kalingaw. Learning to speak Cebuano is so much fun. Tabang, help. Laom, paglaom, hope. Naglaom ko nga nakatabang ko sa imong pagtuon. I hope I've helped your study. Naglaom sab ko nga mag-subscribe kamo sa akong YouTube channel. I also hope that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hilabihan. Too much or so much. Daghan. Much or many. Daghan nga gugma og pagakos alang kaninyong tanan. Much love and hugs to all of you. Daghang salamat kaninyo ug ang Dios magpanalangin kaninyo. Thank you very much and God bless you.